Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Myself, Kavita Shri here. We are doing the fourth chapter, the story of Amrita. In our previous class, you have learned that Amrita was a girl from the Khejardli village of Rajasthan. This village got its name because many khejuri trees grew there. People of Amrita's village used to love and protect the plants and animals. Children like Amrita used to play with the trees and make them their friends. Now, let us read the next part of the story. Trees in danger. Time went by. Amrita was now grown up. One day she went to greet her trees. She saw that there were some strangers in her village. They had access with them. They said that the king had sent them to cut trees for wood. The wood was needed for building the king's palace. Time went by and Amrita was now a grown-up woman. One day, an unusual thing happened. People from king's palace came to cut down the trees of Amrita's village. They wanted wood to make the king's palace. Amrita was shocked. She went to the tree that the men were about to cut. She put her arms around the tree and hugged it tightly. The men shouted and threatened her, but Amrita did not let go of the tree. The king's men had to follow his order. They had to cut the tree. Amrita was very shocked and disappointed to see these people there. She ran and hugged the tree the people were about to cut. But the king's men had to follow the king's order. They cut the tree and Amrita also died with the tree. On seeing this, Amrita's daughters and hundreds of villagers, old and young, hugged the trees to protect them. Many people, including Amrita and her daughters, died to save the trees. On seeing Amrita, her daughters and many other villagers also came running to protect the trees, and they also died to save the trees. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave up their life for trees. He visited the village himself. There he learned about villagers' respect for trees and animals. The villagers' strong feelings for trees affected the king greatly. He ordered that from then on no tree would be cut and no animal would be harmed in that area. Even today, almost 300 years later, the people of this area called Bishnois continue to protect plants and animals. Even though in the middle of the desert, this area is green and animals roam freely without fear. When the king came to know that people died for saving the trees, he made it a rule that no plant will be cut in that area and no animal will be hunted, and this rule is followed even today. These group of people living in the village of Khejari are known as the Bishnois. They are famous for protecting the nature and wildlife. So today we have come to know about Amrita Devi Bishnoi. Who is Amrita Devi Bishnoi? Amrita Devi Bishnoi was a brave lady from Khejardli village of Rajasthan who, along with 363 villagers, sacrificed her life for the protection of khejuri trees in the year 1730. Who are Bishnois? Bishnois are a group of people or a community living in Rajasthan who are famous for the protection of nature and wildlife. Do you know there is a national award called Amrita Devi Bishnoi Award? This is an award given by the Government of India to people who significantly contribute to the conservation of wildlife. Children, now try to answer these questions. Number 1. Who was Amrita Devi Bishnoi? Number 2. Who are Bishnois? Number 3. Tick the correct answer. Amrita Devi Bishnoi National Award is given for the contribution to Part A. Water conservation, B. Wildlife conservation, C. Space research. Children, try to answer these questions and learn the answers with their spellings. That's all in today's class. Thank you.